this one. Maybe we will find one. Not this one.
Ano nga to? Kakaliwa ba?
Mommy, whose house is that?
Naliligaw ako dito.
Mommy, whose house is that?
Wala naman tao sa likod.
Mommy, whose house is that?
I don't know.
Granny or people?
Maybe Granny's house, that one.
Maybe we will smash this. Oh, it says Akabaker. Cool. Well, I like that house.
Oh, really? You like that house?
I mean, I don't want that. Mommy, I see a other house that's brown.
That's brown house?
Yeah. Can we smash this one?
Smash?
Yeah. Who will smash this
Kanan
one?
tayo?
A wrecking ball? Cool.
Naliligaw ako dito.
Cool.
Pagpapunta, pagpa-uwi, alam ko nasa kabila ako dumadaan eh. Stop! Stop!
Signal.
Ano bang signal ko pag gano'n?
Stop. Hey, mama, stop.
Bird. Daddy, bird. Bird, bird. Bird.
Oh, yes, bird.
Bird!
Yay.
Bird!
I love you, bird.
Alas.
PG ah!
I love you, bird. Ayos ah.
Oh, bird! Oh no!
Mommy,
Yes.
I want a bird
You want bird?
to go inside our house.
Re! Shout out sa'yo niya, pre! Tinuturo ako muna to.
Wow! Tinuturuan daw. Hindi nga. Punta kaming damam!
Mommy, the palace is far or near?
Poor!
I can see the building.
What? Building?
There.
Oh, yeah.
That's so tall.
Oh,
Ingay mo eh.
really?
Yeah. All buildings have no light
Yeah, because why?
because this morning
Wow, very good!
it's too bright. I don't want bright.
Lal eh.
I don't
You're
want.
so smart talaga, baby!
I don't want bright. I said I don't want bright.
You don't want bright?
Shout out
Yeah.
po, Noy. Shout out to, sabi ni Tito,
Archie?
Tito Archie.
Yeah, because
Sa-
your
sa-
eyes
sa-
is
sa
ano
hi,
na,
Tito.
malabo na.
Dyan.
Kaka-iPad dito.
We're
Dito tayo mag-park.
here. We're here. Mommy, why we're in the palace?
Ayan, yung palas. Ayan, nasa.
Mommy!
Dito, atras ko pa.
Mommy!
Dito na, okay na yan?
Mommy! Mommy!
Park. Yes.